Hey guys, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Keith Rainville. Today was my first day in the kitchen and I got some jerky made. Not too much, but it's a start and I couldn't have done without him. The Fat Yankee himself had just given me like just the best fundamentals of everything I need to know, and without him and his course, I don't think I'd be here today in such a short time and doing the things that I'm doing. So I just wanted to tell you guys that the plan for him or his course, well worth it. It's everything it's just the best stepping stones that's laid out for you, easy to use, and you can just immediately start doing your thing and get at it, get your ambition done, and start your own thing, do you. And I just want to say again, thanks Keith, and without your course, I wouldn't be here today. Appreciate it, and I'm gonna enjoy some delicious Korean barbecue that is all from his jerky recipe guide as well. So thanks again, appreciate it.